Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to fix white or black a screen of any Apple device. How you will resolve this problem without losing any data or without data loss. So for it guys, first of all you will have to install this software. This software is iMyFone Fixpo. And here see, in a standard mode we have an option we can fix following issues without data loss. First is a white and black screen color if it is on your Apple device and you are unable to operate. Then the situations, in this situation it is easy. By using this software you can resolve this problem. Second one, if your device has been stuck on Apple logo or either it is in a recovery mode or boot loop or iTunes error, of course you can. Otherwise, if it is bricked or frozen, or if it is not going to turn on, etc, etc, of course you can resolve here problem. But here I'm going to resolve white and black screen color of this device. So what I will do guys, simply I will here select on this. Let me back once again guys. Here just what I will do, just I will click on this and then I will connect my data cable from iPhone device to a PC and I will go for next. So now see, it has started to Quest, search iPhone device model and iOS firmware version. So 13.4.1 version is required. We have a choice here. Manually also we can select it. If you have already downloaded firmware iOS 13.4.1 IPSW from any website, of course you can have by clicking here manually. So see guys, I will click on a select and of course wherever I have downloaded kept that IPSW, of course I can select and after selection just I will go for open, so it will start to process. Otherwise just I will go for download it. So now see guys, it has started to download here. So it will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes of course to download, because as we know that IPSW total size it will be a more than 4 GB approximately, so that's why it will take a time. And net speed is here not quite good, so at the moment just I'm going to stop it and manually I will select this. So this is a easy way guys. Here see, it has started to download and 2% is almost done. So let me cancel from here and see, just you have to go for next, next, and you will be able to easily wipe out, or you will be able to easily resolve this white and black screen of any Apple device, and it will once again go in as a new phone setup easily without losing any data. So this is a way guys, easily you can resolve this problem. So this is a totally free software, of course you can use as a trial versions. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive is how you will remove or resolve the problem of white and black screen of any Apple device. So thank you very much, have a great time.